Okay, I've got my OSMO Nano here mounted on my little wrist strap, GoPro wrist strap, walking down the street. So I've just got my fist pointed forward with my elbow to my side. I've got rock steady stabilization, so we'll see if this is a viable option for doing a walk around video. I took this to the gym the other day and I don't think one person took notice of it. So it's pretty stealthy. I mean, you could see it, but for whatever reason, it doesn't register with anybody. It doesn't look like a camera. But you look at it closely. Anyway, so this is rock steady. Just me walking down the street at a leisurely pace with my DJI mic on, and I'm using voice commands to start and stop the camera. Stop. Okay, so this is probably a better angle from a photo standpoint. I'm walking away from the sun. Actually, the sun's to my right, so should get nice fall shadows. So I've switched from rock steady stabilization to horizontal balance. So this keeps the horizon steady if I tip it. Not sure which one's better for this little wristband I have on. So the only reason I would use this versus my Pocket 3 is because it's a little smaller. The camera by itself is fairly indestructible. Got it on my wrist, and I'd feel comfortable doing just about anything, riding a bike or running or whatever with this thing. Walking through a crowd. It's tied to my wrist. It's basically an action cam with the computer part cut off. So I got a camera only, and we'll see how the horizon balance here works. I did have to connect it to the base unit in order to get the display and get the menus to change it from rock steady to horizon balancing. So while you don't need the base unit for everyday filming, you still got to use it to connect to the computer, and you need it to change any of the settings in the camera. So once I disconnect it, it's frozen. I'm using the mic too, so the base unit is even more worthless now because it won't show the picture. I guess it's a bandwidth limitation. It only shows the bar graph of the mic that I've got on. So, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, hopefully this horizon balancing thing works all right. I'm sure there's trade-offs. Haven't really figured it out. That is all. Stop recording. Okay, so now I'm on the stationary bike. Do this for about 30 minutes and then I'll do the walking. And flip this around and you can watch my selfie video. So far I haven't seen anybody notice that I'm using a camera. Anyway, it's a great view on a Sunday afternoon. Stop recording. Okay, done with 35 minutes on the bike. Switching to the walking machine. Low impact day, just trying to keep my aerobics going. So now I'm on the, what do you call this thing? Walkmaster or whatever. And I do about 30 minutes on it. Here's my view. And I'll finish this up and have a nice walk back to the house. Stop recording. Okay, we're on Brays Bayou. There's the group in front of me. It's a bright, sunny Sunday.